Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Ruike P-661. Be here with me for a quick maintenance video, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here and right over here. So let's just do this, guys. T8 and T6, I think. So let's start. T6, boom, in the house. And let's just quickly close the knife, start tackling this T6 screw on the heel of the blade. Just one. Let's just quickly check. We don't need to remove the clip, I think, because yeah, just one. So let me see if I'm right or wrong. Let's see if this guy T6, yeah, it's looks like it's not spinning, so that's a good thing. And boom, pops out like a boss. Nice sets of washers and some grease in it. That's fine. We're gonna clean it out. And so let me see, that's interesting because so you see you have phosphorus bronze against the blade and stainless against the liner. Very interesting sandwich going on over here. So this goes up against the blade, just leave it here, which is nicely done, I have to say. Looks nicely done. Ruike is doing some nice stuff, I have to say. And then this guy goes up against the scale, like that. Just clean a little bit of the gunk. It's a thick grease, maybe with a little like lighter weight nano oil, we might be able to improve the action of this guy. Very, very thin washers, guys, like really thin. That stop pin just flew away. Be careful because yeah, these are all right, but the phosphorus bronze are, whew, they are thin, kind of scary thin. But anyways, let's just clean also all the inside on this one. Very nice, and we are done. Hey, look at that. Yeah, we're done. So this guy is keyed in, and it's gonna go from show side, like so. And you can already check that the D-shaped is like over there. So this guy probably is gonna be oriented in this way. Stop pin here in nano oil. Now I'm just gonna do like this. And like so. All right, and like so. And like that. So we have, here you go. And then we have the blade in place, and then we have this. And that, maybe a little bit too much, but, and you know what, here you go, just a tiny drop on the detent ball. There's a pin here which you might want to maybe put like that, which is the lanyard pin. And there you go. Now I feel better about that. Everything is in place now. So let's just start with the handle screw, which is this guy. And you're gonna need a T6, which is this one. No. So T8, let's just change this one over here. Okay, so let's see if I did everything right. It should be Okay, let's see. Pin is in place, backspacer is in place. Check that the 4 washers are also in place. And then you're gonna need the T8, and then you're gonna need some Loctite, and then you're gonna need to coat the thread of your pivot, just like that. Maybe that's a little bit too much. Oops. And this guy's gonna go in. And the pivot is keyed in, so shouldn't be an issue. So this is in. And now, that's way too tight. Let's just do like that. Oh yeah. Actually, it is very nice. Let me see. It's smooth, it's centered, there's no blade play, but it's smooth. Much smoother than before, guys. So, let's see. Snappy, no lock stick. It's a nice one, guys. I'm surprised. Oh. Yeah, I can... look at this. Guys, this is a neat one. I'm very surprised. Like, opening action, thumb stud, nailed it. Ruike, you nailed it. Really, really cool one. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.